Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and I wanted to share something very special that I received for my birthday last January that I'm just now getting around to showing you. So my good friend Sandi Nagel, who is also Decorate Your Life, she sent me for my birthday this huge haul. Pens and bows, rhinestones, just a bunch of stuff. And this here was actually attached to this little keychain. I removed it because guess what? I like it as a bracelet. But this is going to be on my keychain. But I wanted to show you guys her paper collections that she sent me. Now, she also has digital downloads where you can print it off yourself, but she has to where she prints it on some fabulous paper. So I wanted to show you what I have here. So I'm going to move this out of the side. The first one is the Summer Friends paper pack. This is 8.5 by 8.5. There are 16 sheets in here, and the quality is really nice. I love it. So this is single-sided, and I wanted to show you because this would make a cute kids album or baby album. So here's the cover, and you can use these as tags for your album. But isn't that absolutely adorable? And there are 2 of each print in there. It's beautiful. And then we have this one. And then this one, we got gnomes, we got the kids. Isn't that adorable? And here's the next. There's that one. This one. So cute. And look at that. Just beautiful prints. And this is called the Summer Friends Paper Collection. Again, this one's 8.5 by 8.5. You get 16 sheets. Under this video in the description area, I am going to link her website where you can get a copy of yours. Now, she also has the Summer Friends add-ons that you can blend into this. And that is what this is. Now, this is 8.25 by 8.25. And the front sheet is usable. As you can see, you can just cut out those. But I wanted to show you these. So on this pack, you get 4 of the same print. And there is a total of 16 sheets in here. So there's that design, that design, that design, and this one. All right, so the next one I want to show you is called Debutante. And these are 8.5 by 8.5. You get 16 sheets in here, and there's 8 designs. And again, the cover is usable to make your little tags or for some embellishments. But look at that. That is just amazing. Now, there's another print in here like this, and I got them out of order. But look at that. She did so well on her paper collection. It's just beautiful. In the window. And then the curtains. And then this again. Debutante. All right. So the next one she sent me, I'll tell you, she was so generous with my birthday present. This is just amazing. 8.5 by 8.5. This is La Condesa, and this one comes with 28 sheets, and there's 10 design sheets in here. Again, the cover is usable for cut aparts. That print. I hope I'm not going too fast. I did get these out of order, by the way. Those was looking through them when I received it. But I've been so busy, and then I was trying to get the other projects done. So now's a good time. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful. And then in this one, she adds some cut-aparts. We got tags, and we have the border here. We have some postage stamps, another border or cut-apart here. And she even did this. Now this, I believe you can cut apart, fold on that little score line right there, and fold on those score lines, and then you got like a pillow pocket. We got jars, and down here we have some beautiful little sayings. We got some more tags, and she even has these. Now, these you can cut apart. You can go ahead and fold them in half, and they create like a pull tab for some of your picture mats, or you can just glue it down and use it as a journaling spot. But isn't that wonderful? There's the other pillow pocket page. So that is La Condesa, and I have to say, I will be working with these, not for a tutorial, but I'm going to do a project share, and I'm going to mix the La Condesa and Debutante together because they work together. And do visit her store, check it out. These are beautiful, they're single-sided. I know a lot of you like that. An 8.5 by 8.5 size, that's wonderful. Happy crafting, everybody, and I'll see you real soon.